Holler back, players. All right, guys, what's up and what's glorious? Today we have a thrifting challenge. I figured I wanted to vary the content a little bit. So what I'm gonna do today is actually try and go to every single Goodwill in Houston and just see what I find, because Goodwill is notorious for not having a lot of dope shit. Like, usually it's one of the driest stores or drier stores. So I'm gonna go in and just see what all we can find by hitting a ton of them. It's like 10:30, they close at 9 p.m. So we're just gonna hit up a million of them and see what's good. We're outside the first store. Let's get it. All right, so we're live in the store. I'm predominantly looking for clothing, as you guys know. And if y'all need vintage clothing, got a website, link down below. Thrift Heaven. Bless yourself. The first little find though is this clean, crispy little essential. It's a Levi Strauss Every Garment Guaranteed. Ooh, size large denim jacket. Very clean, very crispy. Red tab right there. And then in terms of like a little accessory, shout out that boy Logan Coyle for forever burning his name into the YouTube history books by writing his name all over this like holographic Mario little lunch kit. I love it. Getting both. All right, so as I said, man, dude, I just scooped something, bro. I'm mainly looking for clothes, but I'm also looking for accoutrements for the apartment to redecorate. And little SoundCloud-esque vibed out plushes. Shout out that boy. Is this Bird or Ernie? Shout out that boy Ernie real quick. You know what I'm saying? A quick little scoop off the bookshelf. That's creepy. Sushi. Ooh, fake news?
You are fake news.
Fleece. Oh my good God glory. Look at this, man. They got like a bootleg vintage Nike windbreaker, even though it does still have the check like debossed and hollowed out in the zipper. This thing is like in the Smurf snow color scheme. I definitely like this, dude. Bootlegs definitely are sick. Look at that, even got the big old bootleg check on the back. Cop, baby, cop. Hey man, shout out Lil Kinky Twist. You guys know his catchphrase.
Always eat ass.
Always eat ass. And I guess this definitely does make sense with this little like dietary habit. You got the Bootios, a little WWE tee. Just add milk and feel the power. Dude, what is going on? Yo, this shirt is heat. It's $2. I gotta grab it. Also, I found a raccoon shirt, bro. Look at these dudes.
Don't talk to me, just talk to my little dudes. Walk away my toolie, what they do?
Dude, I don't usually grab women's stuff, but this button up is bad ass, dude. It looks like a Mondrian painting in button-up form. I might just have to grab it for the women's out there. Oh no! Jesus Christ Lord, bruh. Billie Jean red leather, same color red lobster. What up, dude? Look at all these pockets for narcotics and little Tommy jeans for women pants. Oh, and they got that corset little enclosure. Ooh, beautiful. Oh my gosh. All right, class, so we're jumping out of there. Look at this big ass bag, dude. For the first store, I'm pretty happy, and that's like one of 30 to come or something of that nature. So let's go ahead and proceed to the next. Yes, indeed. All right, we made it to Goodwill number 2, because the first one, he don't really seem like he know what to do. Yo, look at this giant intoxicated gorilla.
White high, everyday click, waste.
Oh, no way. Oh, this monkey's scandalous. Dude, I hate a what? I hate a Goofy especially. They got the Mickey Mouse back scratcher and the thing is discolored, so you guys already know this thing has scratched its fair share of backs in its day. Gotta get it, dude. Oh my God, bro. They got homie all Small Soldiers just posted right here. He doesn't have his weapons or accessories, and it does look like he got a bad little sunburn on his shoulder, but I need this. This is like my childhood, bro. All encapsulated.
Major chip hazard. Gorgonite scum.
Dude, we're departing and they have all these embroidered jerseys, but they are yaxing $30 on all of them, bro. It's incredulous. Yo, peep this, man. They got the Polaroid like land camera in here, and it actually like comes down this like accordion looking sleeve. It's $20 and comes with the case. This thing is dope as hell looking. We just gotta try to figure out how to release it from its like captivity in this case. Oh my gosh, bro, this thing looks sick. Yeah, I think I gotta cop this. That's dope. All right, guys, man. As y'all can tell, upgraded the camera settings. Definitely more of a rustic vibe, but I feel like it goes for sure. Then we hit Goodwill number 3.
Number 3, my lord. Goodwill number 3.
Yo, fly like an eagle into the sea. Bro, check this out, bruh. They got these like Native Americans smoking the sacred peyote with the eagle just rising above the red sun. Bruh, this is a nice little piece. Give me 2 per. I need 2 per. So I get to stomping in my Air Force Ones, bad boy. Bro, these are crazy, man. They got the little Air Force Ones. These are like in the Cactus Jack little Travis Scott one color scheme. Why camera? Why are you tweaking?
Bro, what you tweaking about, bro?
There we go. We good? We good. But yeah, these are just detailed to perfection. They got the little gum bottoms. Unfortunately, they're 20 doll hairs. Trippy. I would probably get these for myself. They are my size and are just like crispy in the color scheme they came in. But yeah, I think I'm gonna pass on this. Ask for 20 right now. Very nice little tongue work on that dude right there. And look at these. They got little elf shoes. High fashion.
High fashion.
Bruh, look at these little Stan Smiths. This person had that putrid perspirating ankle. Oh my good glory. Check this out, bro. For $3, they got the Golden Girls Chia Pet. Look at homegirl with the glasses on the terracotta. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. You already know I have to grab this piece right here. That is hilarious. Holy Jehovah, bruh. They got the dual-wheeled full vintage tracksuits. This one is brand new with tags, exposure cloth. My God. Oh yeah, that definitely fits. We did it again! Dude, I had the world's lowest expectations going into that store, and I came out like a boss. I had to grab that full tracksuit. It's like $7, and I just looked too great and athletic in it to pass up. We have landed, boom, into yet another Goodwill, and we got the little Fox Racing long sleeve. Very cool, little elbow patches and padding so you guys can drop a little bow on your ground and pound. Very clean, very nice. Cool colorway. All day, I'm gonna take it. Oh my God, baby. Vintage chaps, Ralph Lauren. No! Damn, that sucks. Bruh, look at this. Okay, I just got stupid excited. They got the little Tweety Bird paper towel holder. This store is kind of lacking, but look at Tweety looking back at it.
Whoa. Look back at it. Whoa. Look back
and then you got the nice little thing for the paper towels. Bro, cookie. I'm grabbing this. Oh,
Big head on the bed.
Size 11 in Crocs.
11 in Crocs.
All right, class. So this store had all of 2 things. Kind of disappointing, but to be expected when going to this many Goodwills that not everyone's gonna hit. But with that being said, let's go to number 5. All right, guys. We just hopped into store number 5, and check this out, man. On a rack, I just walked in. Greeting me is the giant Tommy Hilfiger little like Coach jacket. This thing is size extra large. It is a booty leg, but that patch is absolutely ignorant on the back right there. So I'm very satisfied with this find. I walked in here and I was looking around, dude, and the vibe was kind of off, man. There wasn't like too much, but God, this piece right here, amazing. Oh wait, holy hell, dude, no way. Look at this piece, dude. Little Western wear with that nice little, God, what color blue is that? Like, it's like the bead. I don't know what it's called, man, but this color is just immaculate. Very clean jacket. Yes, shout out Walls Mountain. You dig? Ooh. All right, man, I went through like this store in its entirety. The last little find I got is this striped tee, nice little tight neck, all embroidered on the tit. It'll look cool tucked in with some like jeans, a nice belt. I'm gonna get it. All right, man, we're in store number, I think this is 6. 6. This store is lacking, dude. It is scantily clad with cool clothes and just about anything to like commentate on, period. But you guys know the best type of head is that what? That duck head. I did manage to find this 75% off duck head plaid little picnic blanket vibes to put on the torso. You guys know, man, if you want anything you saw in today's video, again, thriftvintage.com is my vintage website. The link's down below. It helps me out. Okay, let's continue. Oh, wow. The only other find is this constipated gnome showing naked ass. Dang, dude. That fool got that drip.
I got drip for sale. I got drip for sale. I got drip for sale.
Yerp. All right, man. So we're in Goodwill number 7 right now.
7, bro.
And I deadass thought this was like Hillary Duff for a second. That's it. That's all I wanted to say.
I'm gonna be okay.
So I've been perusing for a hot minute, dude. I went through all the t-shirts, all the long sleeves. Nada, zilch, ain't have shit. They do have this Polo Ralph Lauren pink little button up. It's okay. I'm gonna pass on that ass. And then they also have this like flame encrusted little button up. I like it. I think I might get it. But this hat though, horse rider cowboy, ain't that right, daddy? Yo, why is this thing so hard? Shout out Tano brand. They got the 2 little bitches in the family crest, dude. I said that really loud. This is nice though. All right, so this is what happens when I'm not finding clothes, is I start going in the accoutrement sections and just buying stuff, I guess, to make me feel better about my life. But like you guys know, fishes get you hella bitches. And look how big this fish is. It's just waiting to have a plant just put in it. So yeah. God. All right, children of the jury. We stopped and got food. I figured, you know what? I could have probably hit maybe 2 more Goodwills, but I just wasn't in the mood to eat clothes today. So I decided against it, even though that usually is the business. But right now we're going into yet another Goodwill. It's the 8th of the day. We're gonna keep it moving. We got like 3 hours of store time left. Yo, bro, we in here. Straight gasoline on the fire. You got my alma mater, the University of Texas little pullover. And then in the big boy section, look at the colors on this button up. Absolutely glorious, 90s as hell, double XL tee. Hey, so all my ladies out there who are seniors or juniors in high school or even freshmen dating seniors, we got a bunch of babe prom dresses. So come to the thrift to get all of your prom needs fulfilled. Trevor finally asked me to prom.
I never believed it, what I couldn't see. I never opened my eyes.
Bro, y'all can't tell me about a damn
the
thing.
possibilities. Oh, I know that something has changed. Never felt this way. And right here tonight, this could be the start of something new.
So I just got a text. Trevor dumped me. No babe dress, but I still got a bag, boy. Hey. All right, man, here we go, folks. We're at Goodwill, numero 9, number 9. God, we've been to so many Goodwills today, but haven't even hit double digits yet. We have about 2 more hours left, so let's get to it, man. Woo! Yeehaw, finna pick up your daughter. Bro, look at the design on this little vintage Western shirt, dude. It got like an eagle looking lethal over the sun-setting mountains. Yes. Oh my God, dude. On some veggie shit. What is up with this store? All right, man. They got the sauce, man. Straight up.
That's too much sauce.
They got the carrots, the turnips. Turn up for what? For this, bruh? They got the purple bell pepper? What are abstract, but I love it. Shout out Lemon Brand Clothing Company. Yo. We off a bean, an LL Bean.
I'm off a bean, you heard me?
Yes, sir, indeed. Another Goodwill, another bag. Thank you, mate. Goodwill number 10. Dude, Goodwill number 10, and I'm blessed by these two 10s right here, bro. These guys just found the Christian Dior Monasur Paris trench coat. Jesus Christ, what a vibe. Damn, daddy. Dude, that thing is beautiful, bro. All right, y'all, I found a little bit of heat for my own little collection, I guess you could say, man. This piece right here got the little rainbow multicolored, is sexy. Then you got the Seattle Supersonics. God damn, man, this is a clean ass tee. I love that old school logo. Absolutely glorious. I'll take both. Yo, Goodwill number 10 is coming through for Cantu, baby. Check that out. University of Texas, a vintage pro player, brand new with tags. Little rugby, 50 bucks originally. And then you also have the Denver Broncos all embroidered little gem. Got the Bronco right there, all tucked away in the embroidery on the fruit of the loom. Then you got that flag of the Tommy for who? For your mommy. That is right, little essential jacket. I think I gotta grab all three of y'all.
All three of y'all.
Yo, this store got the heat in it, dude, for real. They got the Mickey Mouse little overall shorts. Bro, this store is stacked. Look at the button. Oh my God. And wait, speaking of God, bro, I just got blessed by Jesus Christ himself. You got the Lord's gym. That boy straight up bench pressing the sin of the world, actually doing push-ups with the cross. It says bench press this, 1990. And then on the back it says his pain, your gain, with a freaking nail going through the hand. Bro, these two finds, divine. Real blessings in thrift store number 10. Damn. Bruh, another little ting, the polo jeans by Ralph Lauren. Bruh, this store. Yo, this is the last find in this store. I got the killer rabbit. It says run away, run away. I think this is off Monty Python and the Holy Grail. Very great movie, but yeah, you have the murderous rabbit right there, yeah. Old school M&O knits. So yeah, I'll take it. Yo, dude, like Goodwill number 10 came through with the most shit, bro. I'm actually very excited and ecstatic. Wait, did I say that right? I don't even know, bro. This one's lit. Like, look at the car, dude. The car is full of bags. Yes. All right, man, we're in store number 11. And yet another divine find, bro. Native American imagery. You got 4 little buffalo surrounding the buffalo skull. Soft tee, made in USA, baby. Dude, today has been one hell of a day. I tell you. All right, so I think this is the last find of the day. It's the lower third of Donald Duck signature cup with the tail sticking out. I always thought duck head was the best head, but duck tail is some nice ass tail as well. I'll take it. Bro, functionality and stylishness. Okay guys, so we're back in the crib right now. I don't know if you guys can tell, but behind me, like right round yonder, on the couch and on the floor are just all the bags of stuff I got at Goodwill by hitting as many as I could possibly hit in the city of Houston. In between each store, I max drove 18 minutes, so it actually wasn't too bad. But yeah, dude, I went to 11 stores in a day. I definitely went crazy. If you guys just enjoy this concept of a video, then I think I may do a part 2 or part 3 where I hit up all the rest of the stores, because in this giant metroplex, there's obviously a lot of stores everywhere, and I could not possibly hit all of them in a day and actually go through everything. Speaking of which, man, if you guys saw anything in today's video, it will be available on my vintage website, thriftyvintage.com. The link is in the description, and a lot of these items will be up for sale today, and the rest will be dropping probably this weekend. So just stay up to date by following the Thrift Typing official Instagram, follow my Instagram, and all that good shit. But yeah, man, I think I'll make these videos in other stores in the city and just come up with some more different variations on thrift content for you guys. But yeah, by going ham, I came away with a ton of gems for a fraction of the price that they would normally be sold for. But yeah, man, live the dream, eat that ice cream. I love you guys. Shout out to Sus Squad. We locked and loaded. And sipping out of a third of a duck and are gone.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.